Welcome to the manufacturing industry chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how businesses, clients, and partners connect with industrial services, making inquiries and coordination more efficient, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu featuring four key service options: machinery and products, technical information, pricing and quotation, and contact us. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match specific business needs and requirements. When a user selects machinery and products, the chatbot presents a structured category list. After choosing a category, the bot displays all available options within that section. From here, the user can either request a quotation or return to categories for further exploration. If the user selects Request a Quotation, the chatbot initiates a short questionnaire to gather essential details such as the purpose of the machine, required capacity, number of units, preferred automation level, and any custom requirements. Once all the information is submitted, the chatbot generates a clear summary of the request and provides a confirmation message, ensuring the inquiry is successfully recorded. This chatbot delivers a smooth, professional, and efficient experience, helping businesses explore products, request quotations, and connect with industrial solutions through a single guided conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of manufacturing industry chatbot template installation process and flow builder overview.